Today, Shape Technologies Group is using Earth's most abundant natural resource to change the technology landscape of tomorrow. With the power of ultra-high-pressure technologies, we're creating solutions that drive progress, solve challenges in processing advanced materials, and open new markets for innovation and collaboration. From components and subsystems to system-level process integration, we address the needs of our customers whenever, wherever, and however they need us. From initial concept and through the complete life cycle of our products. By pressurizing water up to 125,000 pounds per square inch and moving it at 4 times the speed of sound, we're expanding the definition of possible across our markets. Whether it's cold pressing or portioning food, cutting engineered materials for aerospace applications, or streamlining advanced manufacturing process solutions, we enable our customers to ramp production faster to meet demand, to build lighter to reduce carbon emissions, to process more efficiently to minimize waste, and ensure safety for people and the planet. We're building a worldwide company, bringing innovative brands, products, and people together under one identity to do the incredible, setting the bar for precision manufacturing, identifying new opportunities, transforming visions into reality. We take pride in creating ultra-high-pressure technologies and applications that enable some of the world's most innovative companies. We succeed by working closely with our customers to deliver the highest precision, best value end-to-end solutions. As industries, markets, and technologies continue to grow and evolve, we'll be there every step of the way, through the life cycle of our products, from process design to volume production and beyond. Together, we shape the world.